In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a form on HubSpot in a simple and effective way to collect information from customers or website visitors. First, log into your HubSpot account and access the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the Marketing option in the top menu and click on it to see the available tools. Next, click on Forms, which is where you can create and manage forms inside HubSpot. After that, click the Create Form button to start building a new form. HubSpot will ask you to choose the type of form you want to create, such as an embedded form for a website or a standalone page. Choose the option that best fits your needs and continue. Then, you can add fields to the form, such as name, email, phone number, or any other information important for your business. To add fields, simply drag and drop elements inside the form editor. You can also customize the form title, description, and submit button. After configuring the form, review all the information to make sure everything is correct. Now, click the Publish button to generate the form code or link. You can add this form to your website or share the link directly with people from whom you want to collect information. All submitted data will be automatically saved in the HubSpot CRM. And that's it! Now you know how to create a form on HubSpot easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.